Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Huh? What the hell are you doing?
Tony, how are you feeling? Good.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Really? Really?
What?
Oh my god.
There was nobody there.
Oh my god. Dave, really?
Relax. People are crossing. They're trying to get to the game.
I didn't see
The
people.
crosswalk is blocked off. I don't have officers out here yet. Just relax. Have you ever pulled out in front of somebody?
I understand.
Yes,
It's a
you have.
reaction also to hit the horn when somebody pulls out in front of you.
Just relax. Just relax. Okay? Thank you. You're welcome.
You have a good day now.
Oh my god. What a dick.
Daddy?
What, baby?
Daddy?
What, baby?
You got.
If you tell me you work back here, that's fine. Stop right there and let me know. But just don't fucking turn.
I work back here. I got my blinker
okay,
on.
Okay, that don't mean you can turn. I'm standing right here at the intersection. Okay.
Why would you wave me straight if I got my blinker on? I
Because
took
I'm
it as
there to
turn.
find that
I'm
you're
sorry.
working here. Okay.
I work here.
I'm right
sorry.
here at this intersection. Okay.
You waved me on. I
Go.
thought you said turn.
Go.
I'm sorry.
I didn't say turn at all.
Take a chill pill, dude.
You learn how to drive.
Oh, you better have a good reason for cutting me off on that highway exit.
Cutting you off?
Yes, sir.
I was actually going to a call.
Well, you did not have your lights on, and you cut over from the left lane.
I did.
And cut me off
I
in
got
the
the
exit.
call right before I moved over.
Okay, that's fine. If you had lights and sirens on, I would have made room. But you cut right over from the left
I was
lane.
doing exactly the speed limit, and you were 4 car lengths behind me when I started moving over. So were you speeding?
Nope.
I don't know about that. You were speeding when you came up and passed me the first time, but I let you go by. I never used my radar.
I got you on dash cam.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
More power to you. You flipped me off. I mean,
That's
why you
fine.
won't take my hand
That's
off?
First Amendment protected right.
Now, you're welcome to do it. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't an issue.
Nope, no issue.
Okay.
All righty.
All right. You have your license with you?
Sure do.
Okay. All righty. Thank you, man.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
presence makes us strong as fathers. Teach us how to lead. Show us how to love.
Whoa! What? Yo, what the?
That's a cop!
What the hell, guy?
Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Whoa, what the? This cop's a
I'm hoping that we can get like things under control and then like do. Damn, what the? Are you serious? You're a prick.
Cut you off.
It was a cop.
shoulder. He's maybe mid-50s, short hair. And he's up on the sidewalk now. Holy shit, okay?
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, I can keep following him. I'm off today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I'm just going past Anson, coming up on the light at Fiddler's Green here.
Okay.
Maybe. Yep. Ooh. Okay. So straight through Fiddler's, continuing on Garner.
Bright blue works.
Yeah, it's very like electric blue. You can't, it's hard to miss it. Yeah.
Okay, just keep me updated if you could. And
we're just heading up to Panabaker now. And he's in the shoulder. Oof, yeah. Right up on the curb and back down. Whoa.
gosh.
Yeah, and there's someone walking a kid. Holy Jesus.
That's great. You've got Dashcam.
Yeah, the whole thing. There he is. There's a cop right there.
Oh, excellent.
Right there.
Can you put on your hazard?
Yep, she got him. She got him.
Excellent. Oh, I'm so glad. So, Eric.
Hello, how's it going?
Calling,
Yeah.
was there dash cam or?
Yeah, I have the memory card. Do you want me to send it to you or something? Of the whole thing, he bounced off
if
curbs?
you had it accessible, I wanted to see it. He's just stupid, and he's going to job interview. I don't suspect any impairment. I 100% believe you, right?
Yeah, he bounced off a curb right in front of a woman walking a kid.
I did it too. It's like when you were a kid and people read you stories, if you got the right voice to read your story, that's what you wanted.
Yeah.
Some teachers had it. Sometimes
that's cute, David.
someone read you to go to sleep, you know, when you're little.
Yeah.
You just go.
Everything to do with that crap. Cool. Hey, look, it's the Miccosukee police just cut me off. Ain't that cool? Nice, sir. Smile.
Cops are looking for somebody. Oh!
What the dickheads.
Cheers. Whatever wire and got in the middle of the road, and when the trash truck went over it, it got thoroughly tangled. Call 911.
Bolton? Yeah, Moore's Mill and Bolton.
Moore's? No, not at Bolton.
What's your name? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What happened?
I don't even know.
Okay.
Stand upright and catch your breath. When those deploy, it's pretty shocking.
Yeah. We can't move, can we?
Not at the moment. No. You want to find your that thing? Fucking pathetic. Wow. Wow. This guy just blows right through the red in front of this cop.
Go ahead. See if I care. Straight away my wife steps in. Are you fucking mental?
Whoa!
Darling, what we have right here is a learning opportunity. This is what they call one of them teachable moments.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.